Ladies and gentlemen, can you please make your way down to the ceremony area? Thank you.
Not red carpet. Welcome, welcome. Sit anywhere you like. Thank you for having us.
It's like practicing the last wedding.
I know.
Wow, lovely. Who's getting married?
To the left.
Just as well we booked, isn't it?
Yeah. Might have been
Yeah, you can. You say it's fine.
Yeah, yeah.
I'm so pleased about this.
How you doing? What garden?
Can't believe it.
Around you.
I can't believe it. We've got all of the staff here. What about sales? Because I'm going to do this as a talk.
Alright, now we're at hello. Sales coming. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for your attendance here this evening, this afternoon. It's a great day for doorbell ceremonies, as you can see. The Lord has definitely blessed us this afternoon. I'd like to welcome our dignitary today. His name's Bevan Jones, General Manager of 98five. You may or may not have met him.
I'd just like to say thanks for everyone turning up and taking time out of your day. Thanks for dressing up everyone, including our special guest from Operation Christmas Child.
It's okay. I had a bit of time.
Welcome Content Finance, Live Out Loud Show, everyone, and our musical department, Ash. Ash, can you just give us a bit of a... Lovely. Right, this ceremony has been a long time in the coming, since last Thursday. Wednesday? Mm-hmm. A long time in the making, since the drunk man stole our milk and our doorbell and broke our phone. But grace means that we love him and we'll give him the next doorbell if he wants it.
Hallelujah.
Preach!
So, we had our IT department.
Oh, now we have
joined by
sales
sales. So we had our engineering department go to an unnamed retail outlet to purchase a new product which will notify people in the building that there's someone outside the building. Which is just, technology is amazing these days, isn't it?
Yeah.
Absolutely amazing. So I hope for many, many dings to come out of this product. Our doorbell is called Alexander Graham.
Golden scissors for the official cutting.
Left, right, right, left. Left, right, right, left. Don't stop it up. Go.
That means you have to walk forward, Taylor.
You've practiced for this, mate. There we go.
Doing the march.
Left, left.
We have Taylor
Yeah.
found out.
Come on, ladies. Yeah.
Train with a tape and he's got the beautiful golden scissors. Bevan Jones, will you do the honours? Cut the ribbon. Here we go, guys. Round of applause.
Happy may she ding.
Wow.
Everyone can have a turn, but get in a line.
Hang on, I need to just stretch. I'm not ready. I haven't.
And as you go, you can head back inside and
Bring your chair into it.
Who wants to go to work next?
I've got the from Nice.
It's music to my ears.
Mike, producer of Drive.
F sharp, C sharp. That's what it was.
then head into her own office.
Can I have a second go?
Christine from Drive.
Yeah,
She's going to ruin it.
Oh no, it doesn't work.
No.
Christine, get back to work.
We've got to touch that.
It's really oily now.
Ready?
Like cutting a cake.
Yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, cello. Give a round of applause.
I would say that's the best ring today.
Oh, it's emotional. And there we go. Ladies and gentlemen.